flooring joints separating and causing tripping hazards is a way bigger problem than most people think, and fixing it right can save you from a lot of headaches. So, if you notice your floorboards starting to pull apart, first thing, check if it's just the surface or if the whole floor is shifting. For smaller gaps, grabbing some wood filler or floor gap filler is a quick fix that can smooth things out and stop dirt from building up. If the joints are really loose, like the boards are moving when you step on them, you might need to reinstall parts of the flooring or tighten the fasteners underneath. Keep an eye on humidity levels in your home, because too much moisture can make wood expand and contract, which messes with those joints. Using a dehumidifier in damp seasons or rooms can help keep everything stable. When you do repairs, make sure to use the right type of filler or adhesive designed for your specific flooring material, like hardwood, laminate, or vinyl, because using the wrong stuff can make things worse. Also, regularly cleaning and maintaining your floors with recommended products keeps them healthy and less likely to separate. And if you're not sure about doing it yourself, it's always cool to ask a pro for advice or help to avoid bigger trouble down the road. One of the biggest issues with flooring joints separating is ignoring early signs like small gaps or squeaky boards, which then turn into serious tripping hazards. To fix this, act fast by filling gaps or tightening boards as soon as you spot them. Another common mistake is using the wrong filler or glue that doesn't match the flooring material, causing the repair to fail quickly. Always check product labels and pick fillers made for your floor type. Lastly, skipping moisture control is a huge problem because wood floors expand and contract with humidity changes, leading to more joint separation. Using a humidifier or dehumidifier, depending on your climate, helps keep the floor stable and safe. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle flooring problems like joint separation. Plus, it helps contractors get legit work by connecting them with people nearby who need their skills.